No matter what you do, your windshield seems to always be foggy or unclear. Well, I've got the fix for you. It's pretty simple. You're going to start with a small bit of Dawn soap in some water, and you'll spray that on your windshield. This is on the inside. And then you'll use a magic eraser and you'll scrub that down and then wipe that residue off. And at that point, you can use any cleaner that you want. Glass cleaner, I'd recommend not one with ammonia in it. And depending if you have tint on it on your windshield, you may have to use a special one. But I'm just using Zep here. It's a glass cleaner. Anyway, I've done it on my driver's side and it looks amazing. The first thing you're going to want to do is clean the outside. Again, using the Dawn soap and that magic eraser, and then you're going to go and clean that off, and then you'll go from the inside and do the same thing. So I'll show you what I did, and this will make sure that you get rid of those little marks like you have for maybe like a cell phone holder or GPS or radar detector holder, those round rings. No matter what you do with a glass cleaner, it just doesn't seem to get rid of them, right? Well, this will get rid of it. Let's go ahead. I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so you can see that right here. I don't know if you can pick that up or not, but it's got like a ring right here from like a cell phone holder. This side is much clearer because it's already been cleaned. So I'm just going to take this Dawn soap and spray a little bit on the windshield like that. Now, if you want to, you could lay a blanket or, you know, a towel here. I'm not too worried about it. Then you're going to take your scrubber and just scrub that around. This is going to help get rid of any of the greases or oils, because I just got my windshield replaced and they didn't really do a very good job of cleaning it. So I'll go ahead and I'll finish this off and I'll take you down to the next step. Okay, so now I've completed the one piece, which is just wiping it down with the magic eraser and that Dawn solution. Just use your normal windshield cleaner, glass cleaner, and then you'll just wipe down your car. I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so there you go. Super clean looking windshield now. Really happy. Now, I did forget to say what towel I'm using, so I'm just using these towels that you can buy from Walmart or your local auto. I wouldn't use like a Bounty towel just because they leave a lot of lint. These are pretty durable and work really well. So that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. Just go ahead and clean your windshield with a Dawn spray solution first to get all the greases and oils off the windshield. And then just use your normal glass cleaner. Save you a few bucks. Don't need to go and buy anything special or fancy. Like I say, just regular glass cleaner, a little bit of Dawn and some water in a spray bottle. That's all you actually need. Hope that helps you out and keep your windshields nice and clean. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on my next video.